How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. It's the first little install video. It's gonna be in my 2016 Silverado 2500 HD. Got the wheels, a little tint on it. Do a better walk around video later. But I'm gonna do a little install of the cabin air filter. Went to O'Reilly's this morning. Just got a quick hvac filters. It's the number of the part number. So pretty easy install. There's one right here, one right here. There's two T15 torx bolts. I'm gonna use the one and only Milwaukee. Take those out nice and easily. Little T15 torx. Set that off to the side. Get this one. This truck just hit 25,000 miles and want to do everything by the book, and in the book it says to change out the cabin air filter at 25,000, so that's what we're doing. Pretty sure there's two more at the bottom over here. Pretty sure there's one right here and one right there, so I'll get the camera nice right there. There's one right here. Nice and easy. These fucking T15. These T15s are very small. Very small bit. So you want to be nice and careful. And there's one here. Get that out. Hopefully the drill light's good enough for this. Set those off to the side. And another video I've already seen. I'm pretty sure you just kind of yank it out. So this kind of, yep. Of course, everything falls out. So that gives us access to where the filter actually sits. Just right up in here. Looks like there's one tab right here, one tab right here. And that's where kind of the grooves that it sits in probably clicks in. So there's one. Can I get my finger in there? Two. This just slides down. Probably squish it and pull it out. So this is 25,000 original miles. 25,000. It's honestly not that bad. I do HVAC for a living, and I've seen a lot worse. So there should be an airflow direction. This is the way I pulled it out. So here's going down. Alright, just set that off to the side. Kind of see if there's any big debris in there that I can clean out, but that filter was pretty clean out. I think it caught everything. Yeah, so there's the fan, so air goes down pre-filter towards the fan. You always want to protect the fan or the coil with a filter. So, take this out of the package. Let's see if it's the same exact size. It looks like it is. Looks like it's, no, it only goes one way. And we've got a air direction arrow right there in my pinky. So it's got to be flipped downwards towards the fan. And do this with one hand. Squish. Put the bottom grooves in. There's a little schmutz in there. I'll kind of blow that out real quick. Can't be too careful with filtration. And then again, there's just these two little tabs. I don't know what that's for. It's kind of weird. Click. Should hear it click in. Kind of pull them just to be sure that it is in place. Now to reinstall, put the filter in the box so it doesn't get all dusty all over the trunk. Oh, sorry, the sun glare is probably horrible in this video. I'm sorry. Why are you so sorry? Alright. This is fucking doohickey. That's crazy looking. I don't know what this little thing is. Maybe it's the latch mechanism? Probably is. Alright, so I'm guessing it just kind of Yep, just clicks right back into place. Kind of just lined it up on this line up here. I'll just reinstall these Torx. I'm actually gonna take the bit straight out of the drill, kind of walk them in by hand first, because you never want to drill something in first. Always walk something in by hand, because you might risk cross threading it, or your finger might slip on the drill. Same thing, you'll cross thread it. I don't know if I can close this yet. We'll just put those tops in first, and then we'll do the bottoms. Be nice and gentle. One click over here. We can close that up. Bring it back down here. See if I can walk these in by hand. Yep. Feels like there's a little clip in there that grabs it. Very weird angle here. I think it's just fucking walking on me. Hold off, put this one in. Alright, see if this goes in with the drill. There we go. Didn't hear anything bad, so perfect. Things nice and tight. Gotta check every one. Nice and tight. And that is it on the install of the cabin air filter on your 2016 Silverado 2500. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See more videos like this. Everybody have a good day.